Number 9 from the integral test. There's a typo that I think we all changed, but just make sure that yours is indeed this. It should read the integral from 2 to 5 of x cubed, not just x, dx over x to the 4th plus 1. This is going to be a u substitution problem. I'm choosing my u to be x to the 4th plus 1. My du is 4x cubed dx. I've got everything I need except for the coefficient 4. So I'm going to rewrite my integral as 1/4 from 2 to 5 of 4x cubed dx over x to the 4th plus 1. So I am choosing my u based on what I can get from my du. If I take the derivative of x to the 4th, I get 4x cubed, and I have most of that already in the numerator. I've got this x to the cubed. I also have my dx. The piece that I'm missing is the coefficient 4. So I want to multiply that by 4, but to preserve the original value of this integral, I need to multiply the entire integral expression by 1/4. So that's where the 1/4 comes from the outside, or on the outside. Now I'm going to rewrite my integral. So this becomes 1/4 of the integral from 2 to 5. I'm going to do my u substitution now, du over u. Now that it's in this form, I can see that I need to take this will become the natural log when I integrate. So my problem is now 1/4 the natural log of u, and I want to evaluate that from 2 to 5. So at this point, you've got two steps. You can either change your limits of integration. So if you want to leave u and evaluate the log of u, then you're going to need to change the limits of integration from 2 to 5 to something else. I am just going to substitute x to the 4th plus 1 back in for u. It's a relatively easy expression to evaluate, and I can use my calculator on this problem. So I'm going to replace u with x to the 4th plus 1, and then I can evaluate it from 2 to 5 without changing my limit. So I either needed to change my limits at this step or substitute, there we go, the x to the 4th plus 1 back in for u, one or the other. Now I can evaluate. So 1/4 the natural log of 5 to the 4th plus 1 minus the natural log of 2 to the 4th plus 1. And I'll just pop that into my calculator, and I will get a pretty significant set of digits, 0.901542 and so on. AP requires me to be accurate to 3 decimal digits, so I can do one of two things. I can round my 1 and have my answer be approximately 0.902, or I can cut the decimal off and write approximately 0.901, and either one of these are acceptable answers.